Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're tired of paying full price for your pharmacy needs, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down a complete guide on how to get and use Apollo Pharmacy coupon codes for 2025. Whether you're stocking up on medicines, vitamins, or daily essentials, these codes can help you save big bucks. Let's dive right in. First things first, getting your hands on an Apollo Pharmacy coupon code is easier than you might think. Start by visiting the official Apollo Pharmacy website or downloading their app. It's free and user-friendly. Once you're there, check out the Promotions or Offers section. They often have exclusive codes listed. Don't forget to sign up for their newsletter. It's a goldmine for fresh codes delivered straight to your inbox. Pro tip: follow Apollo on social media or check reputable coupon websites for additional deals, but always verify they're valid for 2025 to avoid disappointment. Now that you've got your code, let's talk about using it. Add your desired items to your shopping cart on the Apollo site or app. When you're ready to check out, look for the coupon code or promo code box. It's usually right before you confirm your order. Type in the code carefully, then hit apply. You'll see the discount reflected in your total right away. Double-check everything to make sure the code works, and if it doesn't, it might have expired or not apply to your items. So always read the fine print. One more thing. To maximize your savings, combine these codes with ongoing sales or bundle deals. It's a game changer for your wallet. There you have it, your full guide to getting and using Apollo Pharmacy coupon codes in 2025. Start saving today and make your pharmacy trips more affordable. If this helped, smash that like button. Subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.